I feel like I need to block everything out and stay focused on my goals. Take over the globe.
In a different mind state. I'm playing for keys like in the streets, I want it my way. Hey, fuck that state, we eating beef, we know that crime pay. They say we dogs and every dog gon' have his dying day. Rockin' that demon SRT, that big is sideways.
Today we got a new package in the mail, and this is probably my favorite modification that I will be installing on my M3, so let's get it opened up. You guys know I suck at unboxing shit. Look at this, look at this. I'm such a mess over here. There's not much room to do much unboxing here because this car is so tiny, but here it is. Boom, look at this. My new carbon fiber steering wheel. This is what I have now, and this is what I will have after we get this installed. Look at that, it is so beautiful. So the reason I don't like this is, well, there's not much carbon fiber, only like right here and right here. The rest is just ugly leather. It's not even the perforated leather or whatever they call this right here. It's also not flat bottom, it's just a circular steering wheel, and everyone knows flat bottom is a lot sportier and then it's better for your knees, so it's out the way. And boom, here's what we got. Full carbon fiber steering wheel. We got the leather right here, and that's it. It's just leather and carbon fiber. Then you got the M stripe right here, and then the stitching is the M stitching, which is the same that comes on the M3. And yeah, here it is. Let me know what you guys think. We got before and then after. And a major shout out to Inline 6 Auto for sending the steering wheel out to me. You could go on their website and customize your own steering wheel, from the type of carbon fiber to the color of the carbon fiber, the color of the stitching, to whether you want Alcantara or leather, flat bottom or not. I mean, you could customize it to the T. Be sure to check them out. I'll leave their link in the description below. After we get this new steering wheel on, the next modification to go on the G80 is a tune. So we're finally gonna make this thing fast. Let's do a quick pull for you guys. We'll do like a 60 roll. It's not bad. It's pretty quick right now, but it can definitely be a lot faster. So far, I have a full exhaust, downpipes, and intakes. Those are the three modifications that I have on the G80. The tune should wake this car up, and it should, I think, gain about 100 to 150 horsepower, depending if I go on E85, not fully 85, because I think you gotta go on port injection for full 85, but I think I could do like E30 or E50. We're back to see Lance once again, and for those that don't know who Lance is, he did my downpipes, and today he's gonna do my steering wheel. First thing we're gonna do is disconnect the battery. Now we get the airbag out, which basically we had to make a hole on this side of the steering wheel and another hole on the other side of the steering wheel, really small holes, just to be able to disconnect the airbag. I've done about at least 8 of these carbon fiber steering wheels, and that was the fastest anyone's taken off an airbag. Alright, and we got the steering wheel out. There it is. Let me show you guys the holes we had to make. Right there, one on this side and then one on that side. And that's what BMW recommends doing, because there's no other way you could get the airbag out without making a small hole on each side of the steering wheel. And just so y'all don't think I'm lying, right here it shows that we're supposed to make a hole on each side of the steering wheel. This is pretty much like a manual on how to take the steering wheel off. Some cars have the hole already on each side of the steering wheel, and then others you have to make the hole. Here we got both of the steering wheels side by side. This is the custom carbon fiber one from Inline 6, and then this is the OEM. We're taking everything from this steering wheel, transferring it to this one. So we got the wire harness right here, we got the M1 and M2 mode, then we got the buttons right here, the paddle shifters, and then the airbag. It's actually super simple to transfer everything over. You just gotta do it in order and make sure you don't skip a step or lose a screw. The steering wheel is all done getting put together, and it's finally installed on the car. Let me just walk you guys through everything. So you got the carbon fiber right here with the M logo right there, and then you got the leather on the side, and then you got the carbon fiber up here with the M colors, and all the trim is carbon fiber, and then like I said, the rest is leather. So you got a combination of carbon fiber and leather. Now I'm gonna give you guys my honest opinion. When it comes to looks, it's absolutely beautiful. The leather is beautiful, the carbon fiber is beautiful, the stitching is beautiful, everything about the steering wheel is beautiful, and it's exactly how I wanted it. When it comes to fitment, there's a few places where it's not perfect, and I'm Not sure why. I've had plenty of these carbon fiber steering wheels and I've never had a problem. With this one, it literally took us hours and hours and hours to mess with to get it right, and it's still not 100% right. Also, the trim pieces, we had to put these little buttons on it from the inside, and the screws that come on the OEM trim wouldn't fit with the holes that came on this carbon fiber piece. I don't know if I'm making any sense, but when it came to fitment, I would give it like a 7 or an 8 out of 10. So big shout out to Inline Auto for sending the steering wheel out to me, and a major shout out to Lance for having to deal with all the fitment issues. I'm gonna leave both of their information in the description below. Be sure to check them out if you're looking to buy a steering wheel or if you're looking to install a steering wheel. I love the steering wheel. This just made the interior look 10 times better. We got carbon fiber everywhere, as you can see, and the steering wheel was so hideous before, and now it just completed it. And can we hear these beautiful backfires? Ready, 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 ready. One more, one more. Oh my God, it sounds nasty. One more. I'm officially that asshole BMW owner. We're back home and now we're gonna jump in the Trackhawk. Make sure you guys go and follow me on Instagram at It's MotorTube. The link will be in the description. You guys can ask me questions, ask me to review a car, ask me to race, whatever you guys need, you could reach me on Instagram. Let's look what we got in here. We got a Bentley, we got an M5 right here getting wrapped, satin black. We got this Porsche. It's probably in here for PPF. This thing is beautiful. Look at the yellow brakes, yellow seat belts. I'm really thinking about getting yellow seat belts for my Trackhawk. This thing is beautiful. Wow. And then we got Nick working on the GTR. Love the wheels on here. What's up, my boy? Let him go back to work. Look at this thing. Carbon fiber hood. We got the whole lip carbon fiber, the grille, side skirts. There's a lot of carbon on this thing. You guys got to check these wheels out. So these are the signature wheels for the M5 right here, and they are beautiful. So they're gold in the middle, chrome polished lip, and then you got these titanium bolts all around. Look how gangster these wheels are. Check this Bentley out. So this is a W12, so it has 12 cylinders. Look at it. It's like a whole bedroom back here. Beautiful tan interior. You got all your controls right here. Let's see, look at that. You got wood. Let's see here. I'm not sure what year this thing is, but it's not new, but it's just in amazing shape. Someone definitely took care of this thing. This Bentley is actually a 2013 and it looks brand new. It never aged. And look what showed up. Another Porsche to get PPF. This one I think is the same color as that one. It just doesn't have the yellow brakes. Actually, it might be a different one. So this is a GT4 RS. The one in there might be just a GT4. I'm not sure. You got the Alcantara steering wheel. You got the carbon bucket seats. Holy moly, these seats are beautiful. They're full carbon. And this thing is, oh. I literally just reached in there. I didn't touch anything and the alarm went off. Like, I literally didn't touch anything. I think it has like sensors that it sense someone's hand. That's wild. So we're gonna put it in track mode. Now we're all good to go. Let me show you guys what track mode looks like. We're gonna go to drive modes. Everything is in track: transmission, paddle shifters, suspension, steering wheel, everything. And now we go. God. One more downshift. This thing is vicious. It is an animal. And it's an SUV. The fact that it could move like this. All right, we're gonna do one more, I think. I think we're gonna do one more. Let's just get around these cars. There's a bus right here. There's usually a cop right in front of me, usually always parked up. So let's pass this area and then do a pull. Cops here. All right, we're gonna go for it. We're gonna do like a 40 roll. of this power, I still get thrown in my seat, and I'm the driver. You know, I know when it's gonna hit, I know when the powers come in, and I still get thrown back in my seat. One more downshift. Oh, downshift is amazing. I don't care what anyone says. For the money, this is the best SUV. Period. If this video gets 1,000 likes, I will race the Trackhawk up against the M3. So don't be lazy and smash that like button.